Blockchain-based gaming is said to be the next generation of video games. After all, the idea represents a future where players can earn from their in-game time investments and impact a game's development. One such project is MyneighbourAlice, which we will talk about in this video. MyneighbourAlice is a one-of-a-kind blockchain-based game where non-crypto native players collaborate to construct, create, and play. It's a game that makes blockchain features accessible and enjoyable for players who are unfamiliar with NFTs. But who is behind MyneighbourAlice? A game studio called Antler Interactive created MyneighbourAlice, taking inspiration from games like Animal Crossing and Minecraft. Anna Norovic is the CEO of the game studio. MyneighbourAlice's goal is to reach millions of players on the blockchain through pleasant stories and appealing monetization options. Multiple users can create their virtual worlds with MyneighbourAlice. In addition, multiple players can connect with their neighbors, participate in fun daily activities, and earn rewards. To become a part of MyneighbourAlice world, one needs to purchase land and engage in activities like gathering insects, fishing, farming, and beekeeping. The player's status in the game is upgraded through activities, shared missions, and competitions. Different in-game NFTs of buildings, plants, trees, flowers, and animals can be used to design and decorate players' territories. Players may also use novel in-game tools like a game builder and an NFT creator to customize their game experience to their liking and play around with the landscape. An in-game marketplace lets players buy and sell different game items and NFTs. Furthermore, players can personalize their game characters using avatars and meet each other in an on-chain forum. A progressive reputation system in the game encourages players to improve their status to gain access to exclusive events and NFTs. Do you already know this coin? Let us know in the comments where you heard about it. If not, make sure to watch the video in its entirety. The Alice token incentivizes players to participate in the MyneighbourAlice farm building game. For example, users who hold more Alice and continually stake their holdings continue earning even more over time. Alice also represents in-game items like land or furniture, which can be sold or rented out to other players via smart contracts. Interestingly, the game also features NFT collateral. When a user invests in an NFT, a percentage of their purchase goes into collateral. If the NFT holder would like, they can eventually sell the asset back in turn for that collateral, ensuring they'll always make some money back on investment. The Alice token ensures MyneighbourAlice is a free-to-start video game. Anyone can participate in competitions and slowly earn their way to spendable amounts of Alice. Or, users can invest ahead of time and gain access to certain game features right away. Accessibility is the focal point in the Alice token's design. Eventually, MyneighbourAlice will launch a fully featured decentralized autonomous organization for fair governance and full avatar customization, utilizing the Alice token's economy. The governance within the game includes proposing additional features, voting on updates, and having a say on the game's budget. Interestingly, the game is playable without a cryptocurrency wallet at first. However, users who want to participate in the ecosystem will need a wallet to hold Alice and make transactions. Alice enhances the entire gaming experience by allowing players to engage, communicate, and mingle with other users and players. It's an open-world game, allowing players to explore Alice's environment indefinitely and create their avatars with which players can interact with others. Alice's world is made up of many virtual islands that are divided into MyneighbourAlice land plots. NFTs symbolize these land plots, which users may use to customize their in-game property, change the topography, construct a new patch, and decorate. In addition, the game contains a storyline through which players advance as they perform tasks. The amount of land that players can purchase is limited, which helps to regulate the value of NFTs. The rarity and scarcity of the assets they represent affect the price and value of NFTs in this play-to-earn crypto game. Users can also create assets like veggies, houses, and cosmetic items and define their supply requirements, but the game is free to play. However, users must pay transaction fees when purchasing and selling non-fungible assets, such as land. Users can also utilize the lending system, borrow NFTs, and play the game. Lenders can earn a profit based on their loans, allowing them to supplement their income in Alice's gameplay. The native token of the MyneighbourAlice game, the Alice token, allows players to buy land, swap NFTs, and use particular DeFi products like buyback, collateralization, and staking. players can design and decorate their lands with different in-game items or NFTs. These are represented as plants, flowers, trees, buildings, on animals. They also get to experiment with the landscape and use innovative in-game tools such as an NFT creator and a game builder to make their game experience as unique and special as they want. MyneighbourAlice includes an in-game marketplace where players can buy and sell different game items and NFTs, avatars that allow them to personalize their game characters, an on-chain forum where players get to meet each other, and a progressive reputation system that motivates players to upgrade their status to get access to exclusive events and NFTs. MyneighbourAlice is the first attempt to create a genuinely public application with an exciting plot that would attract ordinary players, blockchain enthusiasts, and the DeFi community. It has a light and intuitive interface with various features to explore. In MyneighbourAlice, only players will decide how much they want to be involved in the game's decentralized features and DeFi, and the game is designed to live forever with a narrative that never becomes boring. Alice World has its own currency, which you earn by completing specific tasks and you spend on buying items from the store. With blockchain technology, now you can earn money while playing and contributing to the game. Using non-fungible tokens technology, the assets you see in the game could be traded and transferred on the blockchain. The technical capabilities of MyneighbourAlice determine its values. Furthermore, the technology used to develop the project and its features and use cases also drive the game's value. These factors determine the project's inherent worth and ability to become a mainstream game with DeFi features and technologies that create a trustless lending economy. Because cryptocurrencies are prone to frequent swings driven by volatility, the intrinsic value of Alice does not always equal the market value. Instead, the trends within and momentum of the market drive the value of the MyneighbourAlice token. The project appeals to both blockchain-based gamers and DeFi enthusiasts, and with the hike in its adoption rate, the value of Alice will rise too. It is creating NFTs for in-game assets also more relevant to MyneighbourAlice as a novel NFTs-based game. If you believe in the future of blockchain gaming or want to grow a farm in MyneighbourAlice, you might want to consider investing in Alice. After all, the asset is necessary to participate in the game's ecosystem. If you're simply investing and speculating on the project and potentially earning a profit, experts might suggest you choose another project. After all, this ERC20 token is meant to build more of an ecosystem rather than purely profit-focused. MyneighbourAlice represents another branch of the blockchain-based gaming ecosystem. Some titles focus on owning and developing planets, while others emphasize growing a creature for value. The Alice token and its attached game target a fairly different audience that might enjoy farming instead of previously established games. We'll have to see how the project plays out over time. One of the most appealing applications of blockchain technology is the combination of smart contracts, NFTs, and fun elements in the form of games. It's a huge untapped market just in its beginner phase. MyneighbourAlice could become one of the most popular blockchain-based initiatives globally if the current trend of growing NFT popularity continues. So, is Alice Coin a good investment? Many NFT experts feel that Alice is a smart investment and can yield considerable long-term gains, since the MyneighbourAlice video game is unique among blockchain-based games that leverage NFTs. However, as crypto markets are more volatile, you should always use caution and do your research before investing in any assets. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Do you know a hidden gem that more people should know about? Let us know in the comments and we'll make a video about it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.